Hello property investors! Welcome to Uptown Arts at nandito tayo ngayon sa mismong lobby at meron kaming promo na which is no spot down payment, 36 months to pay at no interest at ipapakita ko sa inyo ang quick tour ng mga prime units dito sa mismong Uptown Arts. So tara! So guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa pinakamalaking 3-bedroom with balcony, very prime sa Uptown Arts. And from here, we have a keycard access. And upon entrance, kitang-kita naman natin kung gaano ka-spacious. And even our toilet and bath, what you see is what you get upon turnover. And from here, we have a split-type inverter aircon. Guys, gawa natin, lagyan natin ng living, dining, and with access to the balcony. And from here, we have already a kitchen, complete kitchen, 4-zone cooktop, range-hood, granite countertop, built-in oven. And from here, retractable faucet. Isipin nyo guys, dalawa pa yung box-type sink natin. Tapos bilangin natin, we have 4-pin lights. We have soft-close cabinets up and down. We have a bar-type kitchen. Para nga tayong mayroong sariling table na hindi na natin kailangan bumili. And we have a free refrigerator, 2 doors. And ipakita ko din sa inyo, ipasilip ko sa inyo yung maid's room natin na may toilet and bath. Ba't kasi di ka naka 0.5? Alam mo mas So from here, we have a mini hallway going to our common toilet and bath. And what you see is what you get upon turnover. So going from here, this is our 1 bedroom, our first bedroom. What you see is what you get with a view of Uptown Bonifacio skyline and with split-type inverter aircon. So tara dito guys, ipakita ko din sa inyo yung pangalawang bedroom natin na may split-type inverter, may modular closet, na meron din tayong magandang view. And ipakita ko sa inyo yung mismong master's bedroom ng 3-bedroom. Tara! So we have a walk-in closet from here. We have a toilet and bath from here. Meron na din tayo ditong bathtub. What you see is what you get upon turnover. And look at this guys! Sobrang ganda! Floor to ceiling glass coverage na siya. Meron kang mini deck dito. Look! At tignan naman natin dito, i-maximize natin view natin dito, kalayaan. What a view! At may kasama ng split-type inverter aircon. At ipakita ko sa inyo yung view natin sa balcony. Ito guys, living and dining room area natin. Tignan natin yung view from here. Look at the view. Kung iisipin natin guys, this is already top of the line European brands, upgraded na lahat. And upon turnover, what you see is what you get. So for more information, inquiries, viewing, or project presentation, you can contact my details down below. I am Andrea Arevalo, your trusted property specialist here at Megaworld at the Fort. Bye!